The isolation imposed across 5 Grama Nidari divisions in Berwala after COVID-19 patients were identified from these areas were lifted today. These localities were declared isolated areas on the 14th of April. Meanwhile, the isolation imposed in the Akuran areas in Kandy was also lifted under the supervision of health and security officials. The Akuran area had been declared as an isolated zone on the 29th of March. Of the 7 patients, 4 have recovered. 28 days have passed since the last patient was detected. The 28-day period is completed now, and the Akurana town is no longer isolated.
The lockdown imposed on Imamul Aruz Mawatha in Maradana after COVID-19 patients were detected in the area was lifted today. The Imamul Aruz Mawatha, from which 3 deaths had been reported due to COVID-19, was placed under lockdown on the 2nd of April. 302 residents of a housing complex in this lane had been sent to the Punani quarantine centre. They had returned to their homes on the 17th of April upon completing the quarantine period. However, these residents had been instructed to undergo a further 14 days of self-quarantine as well. Accordingly, the lockdown on the area that had been lifted after the self-quarantine period has been completed. Our correspondent reported that another 500 residents had undergone self-quarantine during this period. The curfew restrictions will be applicable to this area. Area residents should abide by travel restrictions as well. We have strictly advised them to avoid entertaining people from other areas and to also refrain from travelling to other places. They had willingly accepted that they would abide by these rules. This was the manner in which the residents paid gratitude to the health officials and security personnel for their services.